Ever wondered how to navigate the challenging terrain of remote onboarding? As the work landscape shifts towards virtual environments, understanding how to effectively onboard new team members from afar becomes a necessity. Let's start by discussing the initial step: virtual orientation meetings. These meetings serve as an open door for new recruits, immersing them in the company's culture, strategies, and expectations. It's an opportunity to impart key information about the organization's mission, values, and expectations. Now, let's move on to the second piece of the puzzle: remote training modules. These are vital for equipping newcomers with the knowledge and skills they need to excel in their roles. Make these modules interactive, engaging, and easily accessible from anywhere. But what makes a remote training module effective? On-demand learning resources, for one. These can be videos, documents, or interactive modules that can be accessed anytime. Virtual instructor-led training, or VLT, is another key component. These are live virtual sessions guided by seasoned instructors for real-time advice. Incorporate gamification to amplify engagement and motivation. Lastly, don't forget to include assessments and feedback to evaluate understanding and provide timely feedback for learning development. Technology is the backbone of remote onboarding. It bridges the gap between geographical distances and facilitates seamless collaboration. Video conferencing platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, or Google Meet are essentials for virtual meetings and one-on-one sessions. Project management tools like Asana, Trello, or Monday.com are critical for task assignment, progress tracking, and workflow management. Real-time messaging, file sharing, and team communication become a breeze with communication platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Discord. For brainstorming sessions, ideation, and collaborative work, virtual whiteboarding tools like Miro or Mural are invaluable. To sum it up, the process of remote onboarding can be broken down into 3 clear steps. First, organize virtual orientation meetings to introduce new hires to the company's culture and expectations. Second, implement effective remote training modules to equip new team members with necessary skills and knowledge. And third, leverage technology tools to facilitate seamless collaboration and enhance productivity. Remember, remote onboarding is not just about training new hires. It's about making them feel welcomed and part of the team, even if they're miles away. It's about breaking down the barriers of distance and creating an environment that encourages growth, collaboration, and a sense of belonging. It's about building a future-ready organization that thrives in the era of remote work. So let's embrace the challenge and turn it into an opportunity.